Hi, I'm Pastor Joe with this week's Realm in a Minute. As many of you have probably heard, the Lifetouch directory that we've been using as our online directory is coming to an end and possibly has already ended by the time that you're watching this video. Realm is now in place to serve as our congregation's online directory. And in this Realm in a Minute, I'm going to show you how. The first thing that you need to do is to log into your Realm account, entering your email and password. Then click Sign In. From here, you're brought to the Realm landing page. On the left-hand side are the major categories with the directory at the bottom. The directory functions a lot like the Lifetouch in that you can enter the first initial and last name or parts of the name or the entire name. So say that I want to find Pastor Joseph Moats. I can type in part of his name, click on the image, and there you'll find the information that I have said I want to share with the congregation, including my email, phone numbers, my address, and I've also said you can see some of my personal information like my birth date and the groups I'm a part of. On a mobile device, if you click on a phone number, it will bring it right up for you to call. And on any device, you click on the email, and there you have the email set up for you. This has been your Realm in a Minute on how to use the online directory. It's a great tool. Check it out and have fun as you explore the benefits of Realm.